How to create a slope chart in Google Sheets for happiness country rankings. Introduction to slope chart. Search for slope chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric column. Select dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. Slope chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Slope chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a slope chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a slope chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important, slope chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image in the right. Search for slope chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note, Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Happiness Score. Select Dimension, Year. Select Dimension, Country. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Slope chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Column Header Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Font Style section. Adjust the font style as needed. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Label and Line Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Font Style section. Adjust the font style as needed. Click on the Stats section. You can set the precision. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.